Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add underline in Excel header. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many data to this workbook. Now we want to add underline in Excel header. At first, open the header. Go to the insert menu. Select the header and footer option. Then wait some moment. We can see here the header. Now you want to add the underline. Select the text and go to the home menu and select the underline option. You can choose the double underline or make single underline. You can change the color. Now we can see we add underline in Excel header easily. You can change the setting. Go to the font option and select the font. Then we can see here the underline. You can add the single or the double. Click double and click OK. Now we can see we add underline in Excel header easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.